morning, students. Welcome you all in your maths class. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. I am going to start your new topic, lines and angles. And you will learn about different pairs of angles. First pair of angle is complementary angles. What are complementary angles? If sum of measure of two angles, if sum of measure of two angles is 90 degree, then they are known as complementary angles. For example, angle ABC 60 degree and angle DEF 30 degree. If you will add 60 and 30, then you will get 90 degree. So angle ABC and DEF is an example for complementary angles. Other examples are 70 degree and 20 degree, one pair of complementary angle. Another pair of complementary angle 45 degree and 45 degree. Similarly, 25 degree and 65 degree. And in this way you can form different pairs of complementary angles. Basic condition, sum of measure of two angles. Keep in your mind, measure of two angles is 90 degree. Another pair of angle is supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, if sum of measure of two angles is 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angles. For example, angle ABC 130 degree and angle DEF 50 degree. If you will add 130 and 50, you will get 180 degree. So ABC and DEF is an example for supplementary angles. Another pairs are 110 70 degree and one more example is 100 degree and 80 degree. In this way you can form different pairs of supplementary angles. Basic condition, sum of two angles. Keep in your mind two angles and sum must be 180 degree. And one more pair of angle, adjacent angle. For identifying adjacent angle, you must keep in your mind three conditions. First condition, common vertex. For example, ABD, first angle, and CBD, ABD and CBD, right? Both have B, common vertex. And second condition, common arm. Arm means these are the arms, BA, BD, BC, these are the arms. And they are saying common arm. The common arm BD, BD in both angles, angle ABD and CBD, both angles having same arm, that is BD and BD. And the third condition, non-common arm. Non-common arm are BA and BC and they must be on the opposite side of common arm. Then angle ABD and angle CBD are adjacent angle. So for adjacent angle, you will keep in mind three basic conditions. First condition, common vertex. Second condition, common arm. And third condition, non-common arm are on opposite side of common arm. So students, these are the basics for lines and angles.